Welcome to 6 at 21 Leigh Road here in the beating heart of Croydon with parklands, walking trails just moments away. You've got easy access to Main Street Croydon as well, and of course Croydon Station. The first thing you'll notice as you walk into this charming home is the open plan space that you have, designated meals and living, updated kitchen of course as well, flooded with natural light, north-facing deck and entertaining space as well. Well, the home really is peaceful and tranquil, set at the rear of the development, dedicated 2 bedrooms upstairs and main bathroom, downstairs of course the 3rd bedroom, optional home office, whatever your needs may desire. Well, thank you so much for coming on the tour with us today. We look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon. If you do need assistance in Mandarin or Cantonese, we can of course help you with your inquiry.